Look at these videos. They're getting millions of views across social media, and creators are growing their pages faster than ever with simple, handmade art content. And the best part is, these videos are made entirely with AI. If you're really interested, you can get an already monetized account and start earnings from first video. In the description, you'll find the master prompt. Copy it in full, making sure you don't miss a single line, and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, and it will give you 10 unique ideas to choose from. Take a moment to go through the list. I liked idea number 5, so copy that idea and paste it back into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then give you a storyboard image prompt, followed by a complete video prompt, everything you need for the next steps. Copy the storyboard image prompt and go to Gemini. Enable Create Image, enter the prompt, and Gemini will handle everything from there. Gemini will generate the complete storyboard, a clean, detailed image showing the entire crafting process frame by frame, with each stage flowing smoothly into the next. Download the image. It may take a little time to fully download. For video generation, go to Flow. Enable Agent Mode, then upload the storyboard image you downloaded from Gemini so the agent has a visual reference for how each scene should look in progress. Next, copy the complete video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. The Flow agent will handle everything. You can expand the agent panel to see exactly what's happening as it works. On the right side, approve it when prompted, and there it is, your 10-second video is ready. From here, you can repeat this exact same workflow to generate unlimited videos. Just pick a new idea from ChatGPT and follow the same steps, all while keeping the same high quality and consistent style.